The case between the former chairman of the Electric Power Corporation or EPC and Regulator now proceeds to a full hearing after the court dismissed the strikeout motion by the regulator. The parties to the hearing are plaintiff's former EPC board chairman Fia Ailetua Pepe Christian Fruin, Nulopa Hill, Vai Simon Portoi, Fuimaono Beth Onesemo, and Tuautu Ross Peters. The defendants are the regulator Lematua Ngisa Fuatai Persao as first defendant and Samo Observer as second defendant. The strikeout motion was heard in November 2023, and the proceedings then focused on the plaintiff's pleading claim against the first defendant in defamation and for her to be a party to the hearing. The claim of defamation by the plaintiff stemmed from the regulator's comments in her letter to the Minister of Communications, Information and Technology, Toilupe Po Onesemo, on the 15th of December 2022. She stated in her letter that the actions by the chairman and board of directors of EPC and former cabinet were unlawful. She also recommended a course of action that should be taken against the board. I recommend to review and replace the chairman and board of EPC. We need people who have regards to the Electricity Act 2010 of the government and people who are passionate to ensure cost of living is affordable for the people of Samoa. Part of the letter were published in an editorial in the Samoa Observer in February and March 2023. On 17th of March 2023, Pepe was advised that his directorship of the EPC would not be renewed. He filed a civil claim against the regulator and Samoa Observer, which was countered with a strikeout motion. The strikeout motion has been dismissed, and the regulator remains as a party to the civil claim brought by the plaintiff against her and the Samoa Observer.